You study for hours. Your friend crams the night before and gets the same grade.
That's not a you problem. It's a method problem.
Science has actually ranked how we learn, worst to best, and number 1 might surprise you. Here's the plan. We'll count down every study method, from the ones that quietly fail you to the ones backed by real science, plus the daily habits that decide how much actually sticks. Stick around. Number 1 is worth the wait. But first, let's bust a myth. Find your learning style. Visual, auditory, hands-on. It is the most repeated study tip there is. Yet when researchers tested it head-on, matching lessons to a style made no measurable difference. Honestly, that's freeing. You were never the wrong kind of learner. So forget styles. Let's rank what actually works. At the very bottom, highlighting. It feels productive. The page lights up like progress. But for actually remembering, the research puts it near the bottom. Highlight half a chapter on the French Revolution. Feel ready. Then in the exam, the causes won't come. The color marked the page. It didn't build the memory. One step up. Reading it again. It feels like studying, but it mostly builds familiarity. And your brain confuses "I recognize this" with "I know this." That's the fluency illusion. You reread your notes 5 times, nodding along, but never once close them to explain it out loud. Recognizing isn't recalling. Summarizing climbs higher, but only if you flip one rule. Copy a summary while looking at your notes, and it's barely better than rereading. Write it from memory, notes closed, and everything changes. Now you're retrieving, not reviewing. Shut the book, write the 3 main points from memory, then check. That struggle is the upgrade. Now mix it up. Instead of drilling one topic to exhaustion, interleave. Rotate between related problem types and explain each step in your own words. Don't do 20 identical problems. Mix them, and after each one, say why the method worked. It feels harder, and that's exactly why it sticks. Here's a free win. Take the study time you already spend and spread it out. 4 30-minute sessions across the week beat 1 2-hour cram. Same total time, far more retention. Review Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and once at the weekend. You're not working more, you're placing the work where it holds. And the top 2, they change everything. The champion, retrieval practice, testing yourself. It's one of the most replicated findings in all of learning science. Every time you pull an answer out of your own head, you make it easier to find next time. Before opening today's chapter, write everything you remember from yesterday's. And when it feels hard to recall, that difficulty is the learning working. And above the champion, using it for real. Point everything, retrieving, spacing, applying, at a genuine open-ended problem, the kind a professional actually solves. Don't just memorize the terms. Run a small real project and measure it. That's every technique at once, and it's the version that finally feels worth it. The ultimate practice is working on real industry challenges, which is the whole idea behind Ewance. But techniques are only half of it. The other half is your brain, and 6 conditions decide how well it runs. First, sleep. You don't just rest, you consolidate. Skip it, and you erase the study. Second, move. 3 times a week, aerobic exercise literally grows the hardware your memory runs on. Third, guard the night before. Late blue light screens push your sleep back, the worst possible trade before an exam. Fourth, kill the distraction. Phone in another room, not just face down. And a few minutes of meditation trains the mind to wander less. Fifth, mind your mindset. Swap "I'll never get this" for "not yet," and treat exam nerves as energy, not threat. And sixth, pick your people. Surround yourself with those who do the work. When you're fried, take a walk. Nature resets your focus. So, worst to best, highlighting, rereading, summarizing, interleaving, spaced practice, retrieval, and at the very top, applying it for real. Learning styles? Still a myth. Add sleep, movement, focus, and the right people around you, and you've got a system. You don't need more hours. You need a better one. Pick one technique and one habit, and start this week. Go win your time back.